Manually installing glass, glazing, or other heavy material can be one of the most dangerous and inefficient construction jobs out there. Stop taking those risks and hurting your bottom line. Get the Winlet. Developed in 1988, the Winlet is the original glass, glazing, and airtight material handling unit of its kind. It is self-propelled and battery-driven, with hydraulic lift functions, giving it more lift power and speed than electric actuators. A must with a lifting capacity of up to 2,200 pounds or 1,000 kilos. The Winlet boasts variable adjustment of suction cups and a multi-position frame, which allows for nearly any size or shape of material. Its gyro function keeps the load in a constant position, despite the movement of the lifting arm, and its 100% linear movement in the front of the unit greatly increases its placement efficiency. A single operator controls the unit via remote control at the placement area, not at the machine, which also increases efficiency and safety. Can you tell safety is the Winlet's #1 concern? Double-release activation switches and a redundant 2-cycle vacuum system with a 1 to 4 safety factor ensure secure operation with little room for mishaps. It's highly service-friendly, with onboard telematics that allow for remote access to the unit for service and troubleshooting. Don't risk breaking your back or the glass. Get the Winlet today.